The fire horse thunders across the burning plain. Not alone, never alone, the circle remains. Tiger strides with eyes of molten gold. Dragon coils wisdom in every fold. Dog stands silent, ear sharp, heart wide. Guardian of the pack where no soul hides. Wild roar, when fear would tear the circle apart once more. The dog remembers the ancient vow. The tiger defends what the heart knows now. The dragon breathes the sovereign name. The horse carries the fire that never came to shame. No spark is small, no light is lost. Every heartbeat echoes the greater cost of separation stream that fades away as the pack awakens in the break of day. Loyalty is love that never bends, the one that lives in all. It never ends. Hira crab pack foti tiga dragon dog shelam horse ho one in all. Let the tones weave like a living circle, faster, stronger than so firm. We own the one that lives in every soul.